The Galaxy S23 is expected to be unveiled in February 2023. The gadget will be available in 3 variations, including Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, Galaxy S23 Ultra. All variants will be powered by Qualcomm's newest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Many signs point to next year's Samsung smartphones being the most intriguing flagships from the Korean firm in years, as well as the first to deliver the same performance regardless of the location in which they are marketed. Last year, European copies were based on the weaker Exynos processor. Speculated hues, in which the basic varieties of the smartphone will be available, have also emerged on the network. The smartphone will come in beige, black, green, and light pink colors. In many ways, the Galaxy S23 series will be similar to its predecessors, so we shouldn't expect significant design changes. The most intriguing change is the unification of the appearance of the island with the lenses, which in the basic models will resemble the solution known from the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The cameras will thus be embedded in the device's housing. Next year's Ultra model will have some critical features that will be lacking in less expensive variants. The Super flagship will include a bigger battery, a larger screen, compatibility for the S Pen, and a 200-megapixel camera. The smartphone will also include more powerful algorithms to help the photography app. Among the new features will be improved picture stabilization when shooting video content. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is likely to power the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra globally. This CPU has 8 cores, and it's created at TSMC utilizing the N4 or N4P technology. The ARM Cortex X3, Cortex S715, and Cortex F510-2 are likely to be used by Qualcomm in this chip, while the precise configuration of the processor is still unknown. The SoC should provide a 10% improvement in overall performance over the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 at this time. It is anticipated that the new X3 high-performance core will be up to 25% quicker alone. The chip presumably operates around 20% more efficiently with the same performance. The main impact should be a longer battery life. According to the South Korean business publication, ET News, Samsung will also upgrade the S23 with a satellite connection. The 66 Iridium communication satellites that travel in a low orbit around the planet are reportedly what the maker will rely on for this. Like with Apple, the capability shouldn't only be for emergency calls. It should also be a useful addition to a general communication service. Therefore, sending text messages and low-resolution photographs could be feasible without a mobile network. According to predictions, Samsung will once more sell the Galaxy S23 Ultra in 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB capacities. Likely, a version with a terabyte of RAM will also return. Normally, a microSD card won't be able to be used to extend the storage. At least one leaker, Ice Universe, claimed that the Galaxy S22 Ultra's memory hardware won't be changed. Test. UFS 4.0 storage may be used for the first time. The next Ultra, according to Twitter user Alvin, will have a Qualcomm 3D Sonic Max. This is the biggest ultrasonic fingerprint sensor currently available. The sensor is 20 by 30 millimeters and covers an astounding 600 square millimeter area. The 3D Sonic Max has an error rate of roughly 1 to 250,000. Because of the huge area, 2-finger verification would be possible, which would be useful for banking apps, for example. This would assist apps that demand higher security in general. In this nation, the sensor is currently only available in the Vivo X80 Pro. The Galaxy S23 Ultra will almost probably include a new fingerprint sensor, claims leaker Ice Universe. The precise sensor that is being utilized, however, is not disclosed by the leaker. Even though the size shouldn't be noticeably bigger, the sensor should have a greater surface area than its predecessor. This lessens the likelihood of using the Qualcomm 3D Sonic Max. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming Galaxy's 23 series flagship? Let me know in the comments section. And then I'll see you guys for the next one.